How to make $200 a day. The holy grail of financial YouTube. You clicked this because you saw the thumbnail and thought today is the day I quit my annoying boss and go work from a beach in Bali. I know you. I get you. Look, my friends, sit down for a second. Grab a coffee or maybe something stronger. Because if you are expecting me to show you some magic app where you press a button and money falls into your account, you are on the wrong channel. The fairy tale channel is in the other tab. Here at Money Doodles we draw things out because apparently that is the only way people understand that money does not tolerate nonsense. $200 per day. Do the math with me, genius. That is $6,000 a month. In today's world, that is serious money almost anywhere. It is not impossible. But it is not going to happen tomorrow unless you win the lottery or inherit a diamond mine. But if you want to build this for real without some pyramid scheme disguised as multi-level marketing, stick around. Let's draw the map. But first, promise me in the comments right now, say I promise not to buy a course from a guru who rents a Lamborghini. Just so we can make this pact official. Let's get into it. The fastest way to see the color of money is by swapping your time for it. Oh, but that is just a job, Sherlock. Yeah, but we are going to make it fancy. You cannot charge $5 an hour if you want $200 a day. You need a high income skill. A skill that pays well. And I am not talking about filling out online surveys that pay you 2 cents every 4 hours. Forget that misery. I am talking about things that solve expensive problems for other people. Think about it. There is a business owner in the States right now desperate because his website is not selling. If you know how to write a text that makes his customers buy, he will happily pay you $200 for one well-written email. There is a YouTuber out there needing to edit short videos for TikTok and he has no time. If you edit well, bingo. Oh, but I do not know how to do any of that. Well, then learn. The internet is right there. It is not just for cat videos and celebrity drama. In 3 months of focus you can be better than 90% of the market. The secret here is to charge in US dollars. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are full of people with money in hand looking for someone to solve their problems. But tell me, what skill do you have today that you could charge more for if you packaged it correctly? Drop it in the comments. Let's see if we can monetize that hidden talent of yours. Now, if you are lazy like me, and I know you are, do not lie to me, you want something you can make once and sell 1,000 times. Welcome to the world of digital products. The beauty of this is the profit margin. It is almost 100%. No inventory. No dealing with shipping issues. But for the love of everything, do not go creating another How to Be Happy in 5 Steps ebook. Nobody can stand those anymore. To earn $200 a day here, you need to sell a cure for a specific pain. Practical example. Are you an accountant? Create a spreadsheet template that solves the life of a small business owner who has no idea what they are spending. Sell it for $47. Sell 4 or 5 a day. Goal reached. Do you know everything about dog training? Create a quick video guide on how to make your dog stop peeing on the couch in 3 days. It is specific. It solves a real pain. It takes work to create, but once it is done, it is just traffic and conversion. It is your money printing machine running 24/7 even while you are drooling on your pillow. And finally, the nirvana. The stage where the money works for you and not the other way around. Passive income. But let us be brutally honest here, because that is what friends are for. You do not start earning $200 a day in passive income from scratch. To earn that in dividends from stocks or real estate funds, you would need to have a lot of money invested. We are talking over $500,000 depending on the yield. Why am I telling you this then? Because that is where you should be aiming. The money you earn from your skills and your digital products should not be spent on a new iPhone every year. You are going to take that cash and throw it into the passive lane. You are going to build your investment portfolio. At the beginning it will yield pennies. It is humbling. You will want to take it all out and buy a pizza. But compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. The goal is to build a snowball. In a few years, those $200 a day will be hitting your account without you lifting a finger. But you need to start rolling the snowball today. Long story short, there is no free lunch. You want $200 a day. Either you develop an expensive skill or you create a product that solves a real pain, or you have the patience of a monk to invest for the long term. Or all three together, which is ideal. Stop looking for magic shortcuts and start drawing your real plan. It is hard work. It is boring sometimes. But it pays better than complaining about life on Facebook. And speaking of paying, I scouted out some tools and training that can speed up this process for you. High quality stuff that I use or trust myself. No guru nonsense. I managed to get some links with special conditions. But I will be honest, I do not know how long they will keep these prices. So I released these offers in the description only for the first 50 people who click. If you click and the price has changed or the link is broken, well, sorry, you were too slow. Luck favors the fast. Take a look down there right now. Take care, my friend. And let's turn this drawn money into real money.